What is up, YouTube? You can call me Super, you can call me Kyre. Either way, my name is Super Kyre. And today we decided to see if the Tractor Supply mini bike is a good snowmobile. Roll the tape. Shit. God damn it! There goes all the gasoline spilling out of it.
What the hell? We're off to a great start.
Yeah. Brilliant!
We couldn't have fallen any worse.
I'll just put some snow in the gas tank too, you know? Screw it.
Yeah, you took the cap thing off, right?
This one don't have it. This is before the government screwed it up, what?
I'm kind of curious because the filter
I don't know how that's
still here.
I don't know how that filter works, man.
Is that always how it's been?
Yep. The only thing I modified on this was the zip tie to have me a little bit faster go the governor zip tie trick. This is bone stock. Yeah, we got the... Hell, let's see if the damn thing will even start. Nope. No more, baby. Off to a really good start.
One eternity later.
Hey, helps if you hit the kill switch. We on the Coleman mini bike. The old Tractor Supply mini bike. AKA the Camo Glide. A good snowmobile. Oh, Jesus. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Well, as I said in the intro, my name is Super Kyre. Some of y'all might know me from TikTok. If you are coming here from TikTok, I thank you. I hope I can continue to entertain you here too. Especially if I beat myself into a snowbank. Oh my God! Okay. Got my buddy Timmy behind me. Oh, there's no suspension on this thing. And we are deciding to take the old Camo Glide down to the lake. Full disclosure, I've actually never ridden this damn bike all the way to the lake, even in the summertime. What the hell? So I don't know how well it's going to do. Oh, shit! I didn't make it very far.
What did it do?
I don't know, my throttle's stuck at like full throttle. And yeah, I don't know. I didn't make it very far though.
Consensus is 500 feet. Consensus is 500 feet. Just don't like the cold. Just don't like the cold.
Recording? Yeah, probably go put on the road. Like this wasn't, I don't know, possible.
No, that was twisted because we were hitting that little bit of play that was in here.
See, look how this is weird. This just rides right on that. It seems to be working. Oh, great.
Got down there, he has it plowed up.
We've got to pass that strength test. Hey, look.
They call me cross-thread for a reason.
Yeah, it only went on so far. It didn't go on all the way.
Well, it's not like going on at all.
That's not the hole. You gotta stick it in the round hole, not the square hole.
Even to him to not be able to find
It
out.
isn't. Oh. Shut up! Nobody
This
likes
is
it.
why kindergarten was important.
Do you think he'll find us?
Sex ed was important.
Nobody asked you guys. Leave me alone.
Attention in that class, neither.
That's what I've been doing it wrong all these years.
I'm used to being able to fit in any hole, man. Epic failure. This is why we had to do YouTube, because I never succeed at anything.
You succeed your own way.
Eventually. Yeah, even a blind squirrel finds a nut every once in a while, so sometimes an idiot can actually have a success. Alright, we'll try again. Now we got the throttle fixed. See if the dang thing will get us to the lake. think that's about it, y'all. That's a wrap. We proved one thing today. It's not a good snowmobile.
Well, true Top Gear fashion.
You leaving me? Come on, man. Give me a tow. Well, anyway, I think this is the part where I'm probably supposed to beg for you to like and subscribe. Well, I don't want to be that kind of guy, but I'll tell you this. Just keep in mind that I never got hugs from my daddy growing up. So if you do like and subscribe, it would be kind of like getting his approval finally. Till next time, YouTube, keep having fun.